students, this is Shravan sir, and today we will be dealing with the same topic which we have been dealing from the previous week, sorry, that is synthesis of sentence, okay? And today we will try to learn how to join the two sentences into one by using preposition or gerund, okay? Or by using nominative absolute construction. This is what we are going to learn, okay? I'm going to explain it to you today in the class. And as usual, I will be giving you questions with solved answers, okay? And you need to do your exercise, okay? Now, by using preposition. Now, preposition, as you all know, it is a word that comes before a noun, or it shows the position of a noun, which we have done it in the class when we were dealing with the section called preposition. Now, what do you mean by gerund, okay? Now, gerund out here is when a verb becomes a noun, okay, becomes the subject of the sentence. For example, read is a verb. Now our sentence begins with reading. Reading his book, he got plenty of information. Now see, reading becomes a noun. Now when this kind of cases comes, then it becomes what? Gerund. Now we have to use these two things and make two sentences into one. Let us see the example, okay? The first question that you have in the book is, he attended to his duties, okay? You see a full stop out here. He attended to his duties, he earned promotion, okay? There's a full stop. These are two different sentences. Now our job out here, when we do this exercise, our job is to make two sentences into one. And the specific thing that is given to us is by using preposition or gerund, okay? Now let us see. He earned promotion. Okay, now the second part of the sentence, we are considering it in the first part. He earned promotion. Now we are inserting preposition. Okay, he earned promotion by attending his duty. Now attending, see, gerund. Okay, he earned promotion by attending his duty. Now this two sentence has become one. We have used preposition, at the same time we have used gerund. So it's not that all the time you have to use this preposition and gerund. Sometimes just by using preposition you can make two sentences into one. Alright? Now let's see the next example. This is question number 2 out here, but in your book it is somewhere in question number 7 or 8. Okay? Now let's see this example. I have examined the statement. I have examined the statement. There comes full stop out here. Okay. I find many errors in it. Okay. I have examined the statement. Now have examined is there. Okay. Now when we try to make these two sentences into one by using preposition, our first intention is to put the preposition, correct preposition. Okay. Now when we write an answer, it becomes on examining the statement. On is what? Preposition. Examine, we have written ing out here. On examining the statement, which is continuous tense. On examining the statement, I find many errors in it. Am I clear? So this is how we need to change the two sentences into one by using preposition and gerund. Okay. So this is what you need to do and what you need to understand out here. Preposition, there are very many prepositions like afterwards, after, okay, besides, okay, besides. There are other prepositions like on, in, okay. So this is what you need to consider. When you solve the exercise, you'll come to know about it, okay. Now let's see the next example. Exercise number 91, nominative absolute construction. Now here you need to pay attention, okay. The first question is, his friend arrived. He was very pleased. Okay, his friend arrived. Now please notice this sentence. There are no helping verb out here. Like for example, is, was, are, were. These are helping verbs, but there are none. His friend arrived. Simple past tense. His friend arrived. Nothing is there. Okay. He was very pleased. Now in this kind of sentences, when we try to join two sentences into one, we have to insert something in between when there is no helping verb. Okay, like for example, his friend having arrived. His friend having arrived. The moment you put this having, we are using absolute, nominative absolute construction. Okay. His friend having, ing, having arrived, comma, he was very pleased. Am I clear? His friend having arrived. When you do not find any kind of helping verb. Now when you find helping verb there, how to change the sentence, that also I am going to explain to you in the next question. Okay. Now for example, the holidays are at the end. Are is helping verb, okay, which shows it is a present tense. The holidays are at an end. Boys are returning to school. Now when you see this helping verb, we cannot insert having now here. Okay. Now what you need to insert out here? The holidays being at an end. Am I clear? Being. The holidays being at an end, boys are returning to school. Being. Okay. Now for example, instead of this are, if there is, okay, is, that also will be replaced by being. If you find was, that also will be replaced by being. Okay. If you find were, that also will be replaced by being. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. So take this example, okay, take this example, and if you do not understand anything, please feel free to call me, okay. First see the video, see the explanation, and then solve the answer. Then you will get the basic idea about how to change the two sentences into one. Am I clear? Thank you class. Have a nice day.